How to watch TikTok videos offline. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch TikTok videos in offline mode. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your TikTok app from your device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now, in order to watch offline videos or to download offline videos first, tap onto your profile on your bottom right, then tap on three bar icon on your top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll below. Under Cache and Cellular, you will see Offline Videos. Tap Open it. So under Offline Videos, you can download up to 50 videos with 30-minute watch time, and that will be 27 MB. Just like so, you can download 100 videos with 50-minute watch time, and that will be 70 MB. Choose your option and tap on to Continue. As you do so, you can see download has been paused. Now tap onto it to resume the download. Now all the video that you see will get downloaded in your offline mode. And you can see that 2 out of 50 videos are being downloaded. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.